Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to find and customize printable calendars in Canva to help you stay organized and on top of your schedule. Let's begin by opening Canva and signing into your account. If you don't have one, it's free and easy to create. So in the Canva dashboard, click on the Templates tab on the left sidebar. Here, Templates. Now, in the search bar, type calendar and hit enter. Canva will now display a variety of calendar templates for you to choose from. So browse through the calendar templates and select the one that best suits your style and needs. Canva offers a wide range of designs from simple to elaborate. So let's choose this one. So you can browse the style by clicking here. And let's customize this template. So you can just click here to show the pages like that. Now take a moment to review your customized calendar and make any necessary adjustments. So double check your dates and notes for accuracy. When you're satisfied, click the download button to save your printable calendar. So here you can download here. You can select if you want a PDF, JPG, PNG, or etc. And once you're done, just click here the download button and it will automatically download your printable calendar. And that's it. You now know how to find and customize printable calendars in Canva to keep your schedule organized and stylish. Using Canva templates makes creating your own printable calendars a breeze. So get started, find the perfect template, and keep track of your year ahead with style. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to find and customize printable calendars in Canva. See you on my next video.